Hi everyone, welcome to tonight's video. We are opening brown paper packages. I have it right here, this big box that's shipped all the way from Canada. So this box is great for my Canadian friends. This obviously ships also to the US. I will link them down below. This is a lifestyle subscription. Every other month you receive it, which I think is great. It gives you more time to use your items. You spend a little bit less money, so that's awesome. And the items inside are all lifestyle and based on a theme. And I don't know what the theme is this month. I'm really excited to see what's inside. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And before we get started, I just want to say hi. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them about 4 to 5 times a week, at least on our channel. So if you like them too, I'd absolutely love it if you stuck around and subscribe, but no pressure, just by being here and watching is so amazing. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. So yeah, let's get started. Brown paper packages. So this was kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored or anything like that. So thank you, thank you, thank you. The packaging is always so impeccable. Oh my God, there's treats. I'm in that mood just to have some yummy treats, and oh my God, but look at the wrapping on this. I always try and save everything to repurpose, but that's supposed to be like little extra gifts. They usually give like a little extra snack. And it says 50 Shades of Fall. That must be the theme, but okay. Canada, maple, fudge, maple like sugar. Yes, that sounds so good. And yes, it does say our gift to you. Is the lighting weird? Sorry, and by the way, it's super casual. Ignore how I look right now. But I put a light on because I'm filming and it's kind of cloudy out. Normally I just do natural light. I shouldn't focus on how I look right now. Or it's a casual Thursday. Oh, it's so sweet. Right on top it says, I am thankful for Kitty. Oh my God, that's so sweet. So they like put a little note for everyone. That is so sweet. Thank you. I'm thankful for you, each and every one of you, in brown paper packages. And are these slippers? And seriously, like, keep this little thing. You can reuse it. But oh my God, these are so cute and so soft and perfect because it's getting a little cooler out. And even if you're somewhere like me, like where it's always hot, it's perfect. Like indoor house slippers. Oh my God, these are adorable. The little hearts. Feel really comfy. Nice. So 50 Shades of Fall, again, definitely is the theme because it says it right here. So it talks about all of the items inside and gives pricing. I believe all the pricing is in Canadian dollars, which makes sense. What's this? North Hatley is the brand, and it's herbal maple tea. Oh, it's in French. That's why I was like, huh? Oh my God, that sounds, maple just sounds so good to me, so fall. Oh my God, yes. There's 15 sachets in here. Maybe I'll make this tonight. I really want wine, but I'm trying to be healthy. So let's see what's in here, wrapped up. Super cute. This light's bothering me. Too bright. Too close. Is it not going down? There we go. Okay. Now it's like too dark, but whatever. We're gonna go with it. So what do we have? Ooh, these are interesting. I don't have any earrings like this. Isn't this unique? Little stud earrings. Cool. At first I thought maybe they're glittery. There's no glitter on it. I like these. These are fun. Awesome. And there's something in this cute bag. Seriously, the amount of time they put into packaging and the thought and detail is, I say this every time, but I'm just amazed, and it's so fun to open and like reuse. It makes it seem like I did it. No, I give you props. This one, I'm so, can you tell I'm hungry? I'm like, is this food? No, it's pumpkin spice latte soap. That might be even better because it'll last long. Oh my God, yes. This is by Pink Posh Box. Natural, handcrafted, vegan bath and body. A luxurious bath soap created with nourishing butters and skin-loving oils. Oh my gosh. I love really nice handmade soaps. You know I love this scent. Love pumpkin spice. Next. Wonder what we got here. Sammy, you want to come say hi? I know you guys like Sammy. She's sitting on a bar stool over there on my island. Something tells me this might be a candle. Oh my god, is there a robe in there? Or is this like a joint? What is it? What is it? Bath product? Apple Cinnamon. Artisan Baths is the brand. Apple Cinnamon, hand-poured soy wax, small batch candle, made in Canada, like everything in this box. Oh my god. Apple Cinnamon. Fall. Oh, it's a wood wick too. I love that. I love fall scents. Oh, amazing. I love wood wick candles. I love the sound that comes from them. Candy! Oh my god, yeah. So we got some Halloween candy. Happy Halloween from the Hutch Sisters. The Hutch Sisters are the sisters, the company that makes brown paper packages. Coffee Crisp. So these, I love getting these because we don't have the same candy. They're like similar, but Smarties. And what is this? And then they call them Rockets, which are like our Smarties, right? In the US. But yes, please. Doesn't go with my diet, but your girl needs some chocolate and some loving tonight. Oh, no. New moon tonight. Gonna set intentions. Things will be okay. And then we have some lipstick from Stray Cat Cosmetics. I love this brand. Canadian, of course, because everything is. But they donate proceeds to animal shelters and help animals. And I love it. And their name's Stray Cat. So we have lipstick in the shade Harvest. Very fitting. Yes. Oh, I always break the boxes so bad when I open them. So I wonder if it's going to be like an orangey color. Ooh, it's like a chocolate mauve type shade. That looks pretty. Or is it more like taupe? I can't tell colors today, but that is really pretty. What do I have on my lips now? I think I put my blush on my lips. Am I going to do icing on there? That might be my favorite makeup product that I received from them. But you guys, is this a blanket or is, oh my god, the last thing in here is like insanely soft. This is like what I need tonight, just to like cuddle up with a blankie. And oh my god, I think it is. But there's little snap closures. Oh my god, this is so soft. Emmy, I'm looking at you. Mine. We can share. Oh man, this tissue paper is so cute. But let's see, what do they call it? I think it's just a blanket that snaps. Yep, a multifunction blanket wrap. Keep the chills away with this awesomely cozy blanket. Can be snapped across your shoulders and arms or used in a traditional manner. Compact enough to travel to your favorite outdoor events. The box contains either chocolate or the caramel color. Sorry, Emmy's cleaning herself. Oh, I love this so much. I want to get all cozy, eat some chocolate, light a candle, and set some new moon intentions. I thought this was great. What do you guys think? You have to let me know your thoughts. I think this blanket and the slippers and the candle soap. I love the makeup. I like everything in this box. You guys have to let me know what you think. And you guys get this? This is the October and November box, so it should still be available unless they sold out. So again, will be linked down below. And if you're like, what are you talking about with all this new moon stuff? I talked about a little bit more detail in my video yesterday. So if you guys missed that, the Witchy Wednesday, I opened 3 boxes. I will link that down below. Definitely check it out. Even if you're not into the same things, just setting intentions for the new lunar cycle. It's just nice to do. So set goals, keep your vibes high. That's what I'm trying to do today. I hope your vibes are high. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much. Thank you for being here, and I will see you super soon. Bye, guys.